Alrighty, here's the Ontario Police engaged in bathroom monitoring. They're monitoring my vagina inside of the Ovid Family Community Library, where the entity has the fake sun, where Corey Watson and his partner were gang stalking this morning. Sun is present at 8 o'clock and 4 p.m. in the evening. They're crossing paths with these demons that are stalking with light, lighting the path, stalking while I'm documenting. So this is P.O.C. This is, again, where the entity had the fake sun over this apartment complex. This is the luxury downtown apartment where the fake sun is over me at 4 in the afternoon, and also as I'm documenting 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the morning. The Ontario Police are gang stalking, and they're engaged in bathroom monitoring. So I'm going to document some sex offenders while the Ontario Police are engaged in that pattern of conduct. They're sharing in psychological torture. They're sharing in the sex offense of monitoring genitalia. Stalking in the path, that's a demon that's aiming light on the wall. And they know very well that the Ontario Police are intending to engage in that act of terrorism by helicopter. License 9CSG859. That's federal prison, by the way. These are sex offenders sitting in the parking garage where the fake sun remains over this apartment complex all day long as I'm documenting. 8FZR 107. And the Ontario Police relies on the sex offenders to maintain presence in an environment where a fake sun remains all day long. Remember, this is the parking garage where the entity has engineer light all over the ceiling. These are demons, and they're stalking with the Ontario Police. This is P.O.C. This is all Title 18 federal stalking, all engaging in that with the Ontario Police Department, engaging in ambush conduct, just like they are stalking at 415 South Euclid Avenue, where the entity is stalking all night long, where the Ontario International Airport, stalking all night long, 9MLG035, 8LJH431, and they're maintaining the elements of monitoring, 8NHB830, and the venue itself. Remember, Ovid Family Community Library is stalking as I walk out, and I want to document this is the entity. That's impossible light that you see right there. That's impossible light. These are demons. They're engaging in light activity. This is P.O.C. So I just want to show you the entities engaged in that pattern of conduct, and these are the demons that are manifesting in front of your eyes. There's nothing that you're doing creating that light activity. All right, that's P.O.C. That wasn't a body walking in front of the headlights. That's engineered light. That demon that's monitoring my vagina, license 9NXS903, engaging in gang stalking. And this is the entity that does so, doesn't look at you, doesn't address you. They're demons that are sex offenders. These are the pedophiles gang stalking in the city of Ontario. This is P.O.C. Currently 9:01 p.m. and this is again why the Ontario Police is being disbanded. This is public corruption. It's also sexual violence. It's the entity engaging in what is domestic terrorism, and it's psychological torture while engaging in surveillance as the people of the state are, and they're outwardly conducting themselves like this. They're stalking an engineer light under a fake sun, under a fake moon, and with the government that's stalking in planes and helicopters. That's P.O.C. Those are pedophiles. They're pedophiles. The entity that's gang stalking, these are pedophiles engaged in sex trafficking of children. They're the same ones engaging in gang stalking. 6HFS746 is stalking in the path to maintain light, maintaining a presence of the path while I walk outside. That's a stalker. That's also a demon. These are the pedophiles that are gang stalking, by the way. 6HFS746. The Ontario Police gang stalking via the people. P.O.C. This is 320 West G Street in Ontario, California. P.O.C. Stalking in the path, eyes light. Ontario Police maintaining what is surveillance. Well, that's an Asian male. If they're not natural-born citizens, you're going to deport them. They're acting with impunity. The entities engaged in the pattern of conduct and charging the Teslas is where the fake sun and engineer light is present. It's the same pattern of conduct. And they're engaged in the corporate sex offense. They're monitoring my vagina in the bathroom, where they engage in ambush conduct, and the police engage in stalking in a helicopter upon my exit of that venue. That's P.O.C. It is currently 9:02 p.m.